Alright, so today I'm going to talk about the automatic email tool, a tool that I built in Google Scripts using Google Sheets, and I'll show you why this could, I think, be a really, really useful tool. It could transform some of the ways that you're sending emails personally, or in your business or organization, your club, your church, your whatever. And I'll tell you why. So it happens pretty often to me that I need to send an email to 30, 40 different people, but basically with the exact same message to everyone, but I want to make it personal. I don't want to have a big group email where everybody else can clearly see, I was just a little bit lazy and wanted to send one email, but just copied, 40 people. I want to make it a little bit more personal than that. And I don't want to do a blind carbon copy either, a BCC, because you can still tell, even though you can't see the rest of the distribution list that you sent your email out on. You can still tell that you've been blind carbon copied. So I was like, there's got to be a better way to do this, and I figured out using Google Sheets and Gmail, you can tie the two together with Google Scripts, and it's possible. So we're going to make a little email here. So basically, we're in Google Sheets here. And I've using tempmail.org. I have a fake email here that I'm going to send my emails to. So we'll paste that right here. Okay, the subject, fundraiser this Friday night. Okay. So that obviously is the subject of the email. The greeting, okay, so we'll say hello. And the first name, well, for this one, we'll do Mark. So hello, Mark, and then there's going to be an interspace, a comma right after Mark. Let's see, what should we say here? I hope that you can make it to the fundraiser this Friday night to support the improvements that need to be made to the homeless shelter. We're a nonprofit that need to be made to the homeless shelter in the downtown area of the city. Let's see. Please RSVP to me personally if you can come. The event will be held at the Civic Center. Why not? At 7 p.m. I can send you more details if you are interested. Okay. So we're making this personal. So let's say let's just make up a few other people. Tommy, Henry, Ben, Sally, Aaron, Sarah, Victoria, Francesca, and Danielle. We're all going to send them the same message, so I'm going to copy and paste it here. Same thing with this email. I want, for the sake of simplicity, I missed 2 rows here. So oops. Okay, hello, Tammy, and hello, David. Okay. So these are, for the sake of simplicity, we're going to use the same email. It's an important thing to always test your emails before you just you send the whole email, the real thing. Always make sure you trial the emails, trial the program, your setup before you actually send it out. So we got 12 emails here because we're on the 13th row. So what's going to happen is there's an automate tab up here. And after we send the emails out, it's going to tell us, was the email sent? Yes, no, and the date and time it was sent. So, but first, let's go to the About tab. And this will tell us that we have 98 emails left in our quota. Google gives us a quota, some requirements. I'm not explaining this very well. Google basically places limits on how many automated things we can do. You can always, of course, Google's a business, so you can pay more money. But with the free version, I believe you get 100 emails per day. So we have 98 emails left. And if you want more information, click on the link. But Google's always, they're a business, so they try to make money. So we want to send the emails out, so send emails now. Okay, so this is telling us a little bit of information about what we're about to do before we send it out. 12 email addresses, yep, that's right. The last line, which is row 13. This is my email, which I'm going to block out. The subject, fundraiser this Friday night, and the email address I'm sending it to, this thing. Okay, and then it has the preview of the message. Hello, Danielle, comma, and the message. So this looks great. This will is also a good way to catch, let's say you have some kind of value in row 100. It will, if you have anything down there, it will think that that's where the last row is, and so it's going to give you a preview, and so you would quickly be able to tell that there's a problem, and you would click cancel and fix your data, and then try it again. So it's a way to find mistakes before you send something out with an automated tool, which is, in my opinion, a really, really important thing when you're doing automated things. But this looks good, and so we're going to trial out. You could put your email there, and we'll send it out. And now it goes row by row. There's about a 1 or 2 second delay I put in there to not overwhelm Google. And maybe in 10 or 20 seconds it'll finish, and we'll see the time that it was sent, which it's 7:42 here. So 12 emails have been sent. Here we go. May 4th, 2021, 7:42 p.m. So now we can go over to our temporary email, and there it is. So I'm going to block out my email right here, but let's open one. Yep, here we go. Fundraiser this Friday night. Pretty amazing, man. The power of Google. And that's about it. I will put a link in the description of how you can purchase this tool. I'm considering making some kind of free version, but right now this is kind of the deluxe version, and maybe you can find some use of it. Hope you enjoy. If you like the video, click the subscribe button, and have a great day.